I'm feeling really sore from yesterday's workout. How I deal with stress is working out, and I used to work out for like an hour and a half to 2 hours every day because that was my stress relief, and it felt amazing, and I just didn't really feel stressed in my everyday life because I was relieving it. Recently, I just have not been able to do workouts for that long because when I have hours of schoolwork to do and I work a 10-hour shift in a day, I kind of just don't have that time. So I've been sticking to at least like 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the day and how much homework I have to do. Yesterday was my day off, so I did like an hour and a half workout, and it was so nice, and I loved every moment of it. But now I'm sore. I stretched and did my crunches and stuff, but my legs. But anywho, I got my Bible, my bullet journal, and coffee. Let's do this. Dang it, it's foggy! I downloaded the Nike training app thing, this one. So I'm gonna do it. Once on your right leg. I'm just gonna do this. That workout is actually super fun. Now I'm on the treadmill while watching YouTube on how to make lattes. I put a desk in my room because with school and everything, I kind of feel like I need one to do my work. I have so many goals for September. I'm like so excited, but my brain gets overwhelmed because there's so many possibilities of things I could do this month and goals I could have and things I could do. So I'm just a little bit overwhelmed. I see men's underwear when I look at this. She had to work up front and had a migraine. Oh, migraine. We might go to Target. Oops, almost forgot you. I remembered. Are you ready to go? Guinea pig bedding. We got like a milk frother for coffee, and I'm so excited. Okay, I need to get ready for tomorrow because I have to work all day. Working a 10-hour shift tomorrow. Definitely gonna need my mask. Can I focus? Oops. Apparently not.
Don't film me.
Bye. Oh, that is so cute. I don't know about the top, but I like the charts. I'm pretty sure that my video is done uploading, so I can schedule it. I saw that says expand, and then I thought it said expensive, and I was like, oh yeah, you are. Want a treat? Pippi, come here. Just dumped it all over me. Come on. Time to work on some school. Just got back from work, and I have a bunch of school to do, and tomorrow's my day off. So I don't have to go to bed early. He's so cute. I'll wait for heat seat.
Oh, Lydia! I love this road.
Me too. This dumb squirrel won't move. I have an essay that's due on Thursday, but I need to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to get most of it done. My sister had a chiropractor appointment, so I went with her to that. then I got coffee, and I'm gonna do school for another few hours, and then I'm going to another coffee shop with my grandma and my sister, so that should be fun. Let's see how much of this essay I can get done before we leave. I have my 2 literature summaries here for the 2 short stories that I'm going to be using for this compare and contrast essay. Let's do this. I just ran a mile and then did a 10-minute ab workout video. We're gonna leave soon.